Hey guys, what's up? This is Shekhar Suman here from Biotecnika, and today we are going to talk about something which is going to benefit your career immensely. So, you want to know more? Let's get started. All right, so in today's video, I'm going to talk about a very important topic, which is coding for biologists. Now, remember, in almost every video, every Saturday, Sunday, when I come online with 10 points, I always mention one point, which is always common, which is interdisciplinary sciences. I always talk about when you stand at the boundaries of arts, science, and commerce, that is where you can build great products. That is where you can build great future for all of us, right? A future researcher must always stand at the boundaries of two sciences, not just one. So while you're studying biology, or you're going to become a biotechnologist, molecular biologist, or biochemist, whatever geneticist, you are definitely going to use computers, right? Now, the future researcher of this country and the world is not just going to use the computer to make presentations, but he's going to use the computer. In fact, today also is being used for various different applications, such as drug discovery, such as molecular docking, stuff like that, right? So in today's video, I want to let you know that a need was felt at Biotecnika to take this initiative forward, and that is what we have done. We have come up with the greatest steps among all of them done previously, and we're going to call it as coding for biologists. Now, we want you to stand at the boundaries of life science and computer science. We want you to stand on the shoulders of computer science and grow faster in your career. And that is what coding for biologists is all about. Now, coding for biologists has got various programs, various computer languages, various bioinformatics languages and bioinformatics tools and techniques, which we are going to teach you via various courses, certifications, and internships. And those will be conducted in the next few months. So don't forget to join our Coding for Biologists initiative. The link is given in the description. I want to let you know that it is a sincere effort to enrich your lives via these initiatives, but we would not be successful unless you take the first step, which is enrolling in these courses. The course fee is very low, it's minimal. All you need to do is attend it online. These are virtual courses, you don't need to even go anywhere, and our scientists, our researchers, our educators, our academicians will always be there online to support you, help you, guide you whenever you have any kind of doubt. So that's a win-win situation. So what do you say, guys? Coding for biologists? Come, enjoy, and bear the fruits of success of the future. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.